Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use AI Read Aloud in Samsung Internet on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! So, first we have to navigate in the Samsung Internet, and yes, you have to use Samsung Internet in order for it to work, and you also need to use, unfortunately, Samsung account. But after you have already logged in, we can see that I'm currently on this site. It has plenty of ads, but we don't really care about that. We basically want to focus that this is a gaming site related to gaming news, and it's currently something about Samsung. It doesn't really matter. We want to use AI to read this aloud. And luckily for us, we can do that without any kinds of problems. First of all, let's simply check ourselves these icons in the bottom corner of our phone. And we want to click the middle one, which is now these AI buttons. It's the stars, and now they are the AI equivalent of an icon. It's pretty funny. And we have this ability to read highlights aloud, so let's click that. However, you will notice that, well, it is not in English, it's in Polish, because I have the site in Polish. Now there's a couple of things we could do here. We can click this button to translate it automatically, or we can go back once again into the AI button. We could hit translate, so everything on the site, this is a really powerful feature, but at the moment everything here will be English, just like that. I think this is incredible. And now we can go into read highlights aloud.
GTA 6 indie games. Hell creator criticizes Samsung's slightly callous sudden launch.
Now, we technically could continue, but as you can see, this is basically the AI summary, but it's written out loud. I don't want to, you can basically hear that the AI lecture isn't as good, so I don't want to bother with recording all of this. But basically, with that feature, you can simply, for example, let's say you are scrolling through the news feeds, you're seeing something interesting, but you have to do something important. So you can click that news, you can read aloud using AI while you, for example, prepare a meal or something like that. It's a pretty cool feature. It's not as good as AI summary, it's not as good as AI translation, but I guess it does have its usage. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!